back to the channel, guys. If you could tell by the title of this video, this is going to be a haul video from a recent thrift store trip. Now, we've put out multiple videos going to this thrift store, and this time I finally did good. The last few trips haven't been that great, but this time we did really well. Me and my middle daughter went and spent a little bit of time. She found a few shirts, I found a few shirts. I think we did good. I'm going to show you each item we found, give you the prices that we spent on them, and what I think they're going to sell for. Now, this thrift store will not let us film there. They're not too happy with it, and we don't want to take them off, so we don't film. Sometimes we get a little bit of bonus footage, but this time we didn't get it because we were just so into it, finding these shirts, and I'm still in shock of what we found. Also, if this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps out the channel. Maybe share the video, like, comment. We try to respond to every single comment that you guys place on these videos. It helps out the channel, and we enjoy reading it and seeing what you guys liked about the video. So, let's get into it and show you these shirts. So this first shirt we found was this Yeti shirt. This is going to be for my wife here. We spent a grand total of, yes, it says $3.99, but guess what? It was half off, so we spent $2 on this Yeti shirt. If you don't know, we love Yetis. They're usually in almost all the videos. Not this one, but a Yeti shirt makes the video. So this one is for personal use only, and my wife's gonna use it. Next up, Andrew McCutcheon is back for the Pittsburgh Pirates. Yes, we are Pirate fans, even though haven't been doing too great over the years. But Andrew McCutcheon is back, and we got this cool shirt, Kutch City. Really cool shirt. It was $7.99, 50% off, so $4 for the shirt. This is another shirt that will be worn around the house either by my wife or my kids. Now let's get into the shirts that we're going to sell for a profit. So this shirt here, my daughter found Garth Brooks World Tour 2014-2015 shirt. Great condition. Looks like it was maybe even never worn. $3.99, 50% off. So we picked this shirt up for $2. This is the back. I expect to get probably about $15 for this shirt. It is a size medium, which sometimes is a harder size to sell, but medium and up usually do okay. This was actually the first shirt we found of the day. This is the Sugar Land concert tee. Not 100% sure what year this is. If you know what year it is, let me know. Comment below. They don't have any dates on it, but there is all the dates right there, or all the cities right there, which they were in Burgettstown, PA, which is close. Columbus, Philly, stuff like that. Grand total of $2 after $3.99, 50% off. I don't expect a lot out of this shirt. I know it's it's probably early 2000s or mid 2000s, maybe around 2010. So I expect to probably get $9, $10 for this shirt. So this next shirt I picked up while we were at the thrift store, we noticed a bunch of wrestling shirts. Well, some of the guys are no longer with WWE, NXT, and stuff like that, so I kind of just left them there. This one I did pick up. I think it's a size medium, if I'm not mistaken. Nope, size large. It is the American Nightmare, Cody Rhodes. Pretty awesome shirt. He just won the Royal Rumble a couple weeks ago. Pretty cool shirt. For $4, I wasn't going to leave it there. I expected probably to get about $12 for the shirt, 10 or $12. So not a huge profit, but still a profit there, especially with all the other shirts we got. This next shirt was $1.99, and I've picked these shirts up all the time because I never have a problem selling them. Disney shirts. This is a Mickey Mouse shirt with this nice kind of drawing a Mickey on, but for $1.99, we can't beat it. So this next shirt was a shirt that's been at the thrift store for a few weeks. It was actually two of them before, two different ones, and now they were 50% off. I was looking for both of them, so I was finally able to get it. Paid $3 for this shirt. It is a 3XL. Should not have a problem selling this one at all. Bradley Gilbert, country singer. Yeah, pretty cool. And they did have another one that I wish was still there. We looked for it, couldn't find it. But for $3, this shirt probably goes for $20 to $30 pre-owned condition. This one actually looks brand new. This next shirt, I don't know why I just did that. This next shirt is for personal use only. I like Under Armour. I like golf. Under Armour golf. It's going to be a perfect gym shirt. Something to wear around the golf. So I really like these shirts. I have a few of them, but none of the Under Armour golf. So pretty cool shirt for a grand total of $1.99. Now this next shirt grabbed my attention. I've been picking up Hard Rock shirts of recent and have been selling them pretty consistently. This shirt was really odd. I think this one is from Afghanistan here. Hard Rock Cafe, Kandahar. Closed for renovation. Paid a grand total of $2 for this. Now, Hard Rock shirts, sometimes from different locations, people go to them, don't buy a shirt, but then they buy them after the fact. So some cities are probably better, or some locations I should say, are better than others. But always take a look at Hard Rock Cafe stuff. Now, I searched this on eBay. There was only, from this location, there was only one jacket on eBay at the moment. So I have a feeling I might do pretty well with this. Next up is another concert shirt. If you can tell by this video so far, we've picked up a few concert shirts and we have a couple more left. Rod Stewart, this is from the 2001 tour here. I don't think this one's going to be too big money, but still a pretty cool shirt with the Rod Stewart and all the cities from 2001. So pretty cool, especially for a grand total of $2, which has been the pretty consistent price of a lot of these shirts that we paid for today. Guess what? 2 more concert shirts. Kenny Chesney. I thought I had it flipped the right way. Here you go, the 2008 Poets and Pirates Tour. Pretty awesome shirt, nice and yellow. Kind of the good size, it's a medium, but great shirt to wear to his concert this summer. If you're interested, it will be in our eBay store. But yeah, $2 again on that one. And what would a video be with not another Kenny Chesney concert shirt? Right here, this is from his 2005 tour, the Somewhere in the Sun tour. Pretty cool shirt for Kenny Chesney and a grand total of $2. 4 shirts to go. And the next 4 are all about the same, so we'll probably get through these ones pretty quickly. Now, if you guys watch YouTube, you guys, or have kids, you've probably watched these guys before. Dude Perfect. Now, we have found a ton of these shirts in the past, and we usually have left them there, only because the prices are normally too high on these. Well, today, we got these for a total of $3 each. We picked up 4 of them, and I'll show you all 4. When I got home, though, I realized that these shirts are part of the Dude Perfect t-shirt club, which are a little bit harder to get because you can't buy it at the shows, and you cannot buy them in their merchandise on their website. So these ones are a little bit harder to get. I think they're all size large. I expect to probably get anywhere from $25 to $40 per shirt on these ones. So we got this one here, Dude Perfect logo, pretty nice. It actually even has the Dude Perfect embroidery down here like a little patch. We snagged this one up for a grand total of $4. Actually, $3 on this one. Was the other one $4? Nope, $3 on that one too. So $3 on these. I thought it was 4 each. This is just a simple Dude Perfect logo here on this red shirt, size large. Another Dude Perfect shirt, again, for $3. This is like a Halloween style shirt. It kind of looks like mummy or / candy corn. Pretty cool Dude Perfect shirt. And then we picked up this one. This is more like I think this is more like a army style with the camo color here. So pretty cool Dude Perfect shirts, and for $3 each, I was not leaving those on the rack. So guys, that was the haul today from a thrift store that we went to. I was really glad we stopped because honestly the last few trips have just not been that great, and that's why you haven't seen videos from there, because we just haven't been finding anything. We might find 1 or 2 shirts, and I'm not going to do a video. It's going to be 30 seconds long to show you one shirt, but today's haul was really good. Again, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. We're trying to put out some great videos. We're trying to post more shorts and stuff like that. So come back. You may see some cool videos. Until next time, we'll see you later. Bye, guys.